This video will go over the Copy Event option for event management in FUDSChem. For more information on using the event management tools, please refer to our event management tutorial videos, linked in the description. Go to Tools, Data, Event Management. On the Create Track Events tab, we will create a copy of an event. Select the event and click Copy. The new event uses the same information in the gray header box as the copied event, saving us some time. The start and end dates are not copied over, since those will be unique to the new event. The status of the steps is similarly not copied over. Copying an event here does not copy any of the information for the other tabs. Go to the Assign Locations tab. Here, we assign locations from our project to our event. Then we designate which data types apply to each location. We'll set the location filter to the event that we copied. This lets us easily add those same locations to our new event using the arrow. We'll designate them for laboratory SED 5.2 data on the far right. The Event to Copy option is available for SED 5.2 data if we have a previously completed event. Clicking Copy Event will pre-fill the subsequent tabs with applicable information from the selected event. This is a great time saver for monitoring projects with recurring events. Before we click the Copy Event button, we will preview the next tabs to see what they look like initially. Go to the Assign Methods tab. If we select our locations, we can see that no methods are assigned yet. Go to the Assign Field Samples tab. If we click Add Edit Samples, nothing is available yet. Go to the Field Tracking tab. If we click Add Edit Field Tracking Info, nothing is available yet. Let's go back to the Assign Locations tab. We'll choose which event we want to copy. Then click Copy Event. A pop-up tells us that copying is complete. Click OK. Let's go back to the Assign Methods tab. Now when we select our locations, we can see that methods are assigned. This mirrors the methods that were selected for each location in the event we copied. Now, we'll go to the Assign Field Samples tab. When we click Add Edit Samples, we can see that some information is populated. Select all of the locations in the list at the top to get them to show up in the grid below. Most fields are populated based on the event we copied. This includes the matrix, sample type, sampler, sampling method, and lab. Sample IDs need to be unique between events, so they are not copied from the previous event. As a best practice, we recommend appending the month and year, or the quarter and year, to your location name as an easy way to name your samples. For more information, please refer to our Best Practices Naming Conventions video, linked in the description. Let's use the Replace Field Sample ID option to automatically name the samples. We'll name them using the location ID, followed by the month and year of collection. Choose Location in the Columns dropdown and use the arrow to add it to the name. Next, add _JUL25. Click the Replace button to name the selected samples. Remarks and sampler name are optional and can be left blank. The methods selected on the Assign Methods tab are on the far right. We could check the boxes for each method by hand, or use the Methods to Update option in the lower right. We can choose which methods to update, then click Check Selected Methods. Click Save Changes. If we deviated from the previous event and needed to change to a different lab, for example, we could also adjust other fields. Let's close this interface and go to the Field Tracking tab. When we click Add Edit Field Tracking Info, we can see that certain fields are populated based on the event we copied. Frequency, review type, and turnaround times are populated. Information that would be different for this event, including the SDG and receipt dates, are ready for us to fill out as appropriate. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.